I want to tell you a story about a client that I had recently. This guy had an attorney when he called me and said, I'm not getting anything out of my attorney or his office. I call, they don't call me back. I try and schedule an appointment. They ignore me. I don't know if he's doing anything. And I said, well, I don't know this attorney. I'd never heard of him before. But let me tell you what Schulman Dubois does. This guy happened to have been really seriously injured in a car crash and was out of work, had been out of work for 6 months. He was the sole breadwinner in his home, and so he couldn't feed his kids, and the guy was down and out in desperate straits and was very seriously injured. So I said, look, the first thing I'm going to do is look to see if the person who injured you has enough insurance. And if they have an insurance policy of $50,000 or $100,000 and your injury is clearly worth a lot more than that, I'm going to make the insurance company pay me that right away. And that's what we did. He came to me and I was able to put a demand package together for the other insurance company and make them pay us their full policy limit right away. It's called a policy limits demand, and it's a technique that good attorneys use to get money quickly for seriously injured people. His case wasn't over then. He had his own insurance policy. Fortunately, he had enough foresight to purchase additional insurance on his car insurance policy, which everyone ought to do. And we were able to get the additional amount of what his case was worth out of his insurance policy. We were able to fully maximize his recovery, and in addition to that, get him some money right away so he could feed his family and put Christmas presents under the tree. It was around Christmas time. I get a lot of calls from people who already have a lawyer, and I don't steal clients from other lawyers, and I'm hesitant to talk to them, but what I can do is tell them what a good law firm does. A good law firm gets on your case, analyzes the problems, and jumps on them right away. Lots of people that come to me have problems with the case immediately that need work. Typically it's a surgery that's not scheduled yet because an insurance company won't pay. Car insurance won't pay, so they go to their health insurance. Their health insurance won't pay because the car insurance should. Or maybe there's workers' comp insurance involved in a really complicated case. We have staff here at the office that are experts at getting that stuff resolved and getting it resolved quickly. So it's a pleasure for me when a client comes in and says, I've got this problem. And it's not just about the money, it's about getting the medical care they need. And we're able to quickly process them through and get the insurance companies to pay attention to them and get them the treatment that they need.